Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Mark Feldstein limited edition 20th anniversary singing bird wall clock. So, right off the bat, this is really cool. I do love the choice of birds. It has this really dark, beautiful green around. And the coolest thing about this is that on top of the hour, on whichever bird that it's on, it will sound off what they like their bird chirp. It's really cool. It's not the top of the hour, so I won't be able to show you, but yeah. And so this is a battery powered. So you have these ones go to the clock, and this one goes to the sound. So, if you only want it to be a clock, you don't have to put in a battery for the sound one. But I actually think it's pretty cool. So, and yeah. And obviously, like, it doesn't have the numbers, but it goes by the birds. So I think that's cool. And they even have the names on them. So yeah, I highly recommend this. It's a really cute decor to have in your house. Thank you so much for watching.